Imagine stepping onto soft white sands, with the sound of gentle waves and endless turquoise water stretching out before you. That's not a dream. It's Sardinia. This Italian island is a hidden gem, where every beach feels like a personal paradise. We are revealing the most breathtaking beaches to visit on your next trip to Sardinia. Whether you're looking for secluded hideaways or popular coastal escapes, these spots are sure to leave you speechless. Trust me, this is one you won't want to miss. Get ready to explore Sardinia's stunning shores. Let's go. If you enjoyed learning about this topic, give us a thumbs up and share with fellow travel enthusiasts. Alright, first up, the Cala Gonone Gulf of Orosei. This place is insane. We're talking about hidden coves, dramatic cliffs, and water so clear you can see straight to the bottom. We hopped on a dinghy with a local skipper, the best way to experience this place. The skipper knew all the secret spots, hidden caves, and best places to snorkel. We saw colorful fish, hidden grottos, and secluded beaches. It's a must-do if you're coming to Sardinia. Have questions about today's topic? Leave a comment below and let's discuss. And also check the video description, all the links of the things you need to make your journey remarkable and easy by saving you tons of time in research. Next up, La Maddalena Archipelago. Imagine an archipelago of islands, each more beautiful than the last. We took a full day tour from Palau, and it was epic. Turquoise waters, white sand beaches, and granite cliffs rising from the sea. We hopped from island to island, exploring hidden coves, swimming, and soaking up the sun. If you're looking for a true escape, La Maddalena is it. Your support helps us create more content. Like, comment, and subscribe for regular updates. Ant in research. We're back in the Maddalena Archipelago, but this time we're taking it up a notch. Island hopping on a sailboat, the wind in our sails, the sun on our faces, the sound of the waves, pure magic. And the best part, lunch included, fresh seafood, local wine, stunning views. This is a must-do in Sardinia. If you learned something new, give us a like and consider subscribing for more. Chapter 4. Sardinia Tavolara. Snorkeling Adventure. Tavolara Island, a snorkeler's paradise. Crystal clear water, abundant marine life, breathtaking scenery. Love snorkeling? Tavolara is a must visit. Make sure to hit subscribe and the notification bell so you never miss an update. And also check the video description, all the links of the things you need to make your journey remarkable and easy by saving you tons of time in research. Chapter 5. Santa Maria Navarrese and the Baunei Coast, one of the most dramatic coastlines in Sardinia. A boat tour from Santa Maria Navarrese offers stunning views. A must-see if you're visiting Sardinia. Appreciate the content? Give us a like and consider subscribing for more travel insight. Chapter 6. Arbatax Gulf of Orosei. Boat excursion. Back to the Gulf of Orosei, starting from Arbatax. This boat tour gave us a different perspective of the Gulf. A great way to experience the Gulf of Orosei if you're in Arbatax. Check the video description. All the links of the things you need to make your journey remarkable and easy by saving you tons of time in research. Chapter 7. Cagliari. Sun, sea, snorkeling and sangria. Cagliari, the capital of Sardinia, offers more than just city life. We took a boat tour with 4 stops, each offering something unique. Snorkeling, swimming, exploring hidden coves, a full day of fun. The perfect way to experience Cagliari's coast. If you're passionate about traveling guide, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Welcome to Palau, where your Mediterranean adventure begins. Imagine sailing through the stunning La Maddalena Archipelago, a hidden gem of Sardinia known for its untouched beauty. On this exclusive day-long sailing tour, you'll explore the most pristine, secluded beaches and hidden coves that can only be reached by boat, swim in the crystal-clear waters, soak in the sun, and lose yourself in the serenity of nature. As you sail through this paradise, enjoy unlimited drinks from the open bar. Whether you're in the mood for a refreshing cocktail, a cold beer, or a glass of local wine, we've got you covered. And when it's time to eat, you'll indulge in a mouth-watering Sardinian lunch, crafted from the freshest local ingredients, right here on the boat. Whether you're diving into the waters, snorkeling, or simply soaking up the views, this tour is designed for ultimate relaxation and adventure. As the day comes to an end, sail back to Palau with unforgettable memories of your journey through the La Maddalena Archipelago. This is not just a tour, it's an experience you'll treasure forever. Please leave your comment and also check the video description, all the links of the things you need to make your journey remarkable and easy by saving you tons of time and research. Chapter 9. Golfo Aranci. Kayaking with dolphins. Our final adventure took us to Golfo Aranci, where we went kayaking with dolphins. An incredible experience, paddling through crystal clear water surrounded by playful dolphins, a moment we'll never forget. The perfect way to end our Sardinian adventure. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and turn on the notification bell for updates. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Sardinia has hidden coves and vibrant culture for everyone. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. See you in the next one. Peace out.